What about your elections now? When are they fixed? Mayors.
So I think the nomination is on the 25th of March.
Okay.
I think the results will be on the 27th, 26th, 27th.
So again, it will be the same reputation. Or
We don't know,
what?
depends on the councillors.
Okay. Second thing is that as far as the works are concerned, by when you have told at least any idea this
Smart City.
smart city works and all.
So we were told 31st of March for
Yeah,
the roads
correct.
and everything. And the rest of it, hopefully maybe 1 or 2 months after that. But before the onset of monsoons, everything should be done.
Has the CCP told the smart city saying that this time at least before the monsoons this should be complete everything?
CCP should not have to tell the smart city how to do their jobs also. No? I mean, they are hired to do a particular job. They should be able to do it without anyone telling them what to do. Sanjit has promised everyone to get it, but get it done by the 31st of March. I think the High Court also is monitoring the progress. So 31st of March is the deadline. Let's hope and see that they.
No, why I'm saying is that the smart city, the works are done by the smart city, and every now and then somebody or the other comes and says, points finger at the mayor or the MLA. That's why.
We've been saying this continuously now. The cooperation has nothing to do with the ongoing smart city works. The smart city is an independent body. They have engineers, they have capable officials. They are the ones that should monitor work and monitor the deadline. From what I've seen, they're rushing with all of the works. Hopefully, it should be done by 31st of March. We'll have to wait and see.
And are you okay that one work which is done, again it has been dug out, that same roads, twice, thrice, same work, and different works have been carried on the same work, same road. Why not once upon a time and once and all?
Again, there should be better coordination between all the departments. I don't know how they're funding. See, it's a waste of people's money also. Ultimately, everyone pays taxes. The way they're currently going should not be the thing. I think they should just coordinate.
And see, if CCP is not been made aware about what is going on, means especially when you are the mayor and all.
Oh, Smart City, see, they have their own timelines, they have their deadlines. I don't know if they consult a lot of the other departments and everything also. But they, I think, are concerned. I think everyone is just concerned with them finishing their jobs. The faster they finish their jobs and leave the city, the better it is for all of us also now. So we're just waiting for 31st to get over. Once they leave, then everything should be in good. So all the projects, see, even the roads that they've done also now, say in next to Prince, next to St. Santini, concrete roads, they have been good. Everyone has appreciated the work after it's been completed. Problem is now nobody has yet seen the results of all the roads in Bangalore. So once everything is done, maybe the impression of smart city will change. But then it is still a nuisance.
But if the works are not up to the standards, then who they will blame? The mayor?
No, see, each of the works is being conducted by each of the respective departments. Now the roads that you see, the smart city, the footpaths and all the roads and everything that is conducted now comes under smart city itself. There is nobody to blame but smart city. Okay, for all the projects that are concerned with those respective departments. Now GSODA had done the concrete roads. They have done a good job of monitoring the roads and there is no issue so far with all of those concrete roads and everything. But each of the prospective works has been undertaken by a particular department. So both the department and the smart city officials should make sure that, see, every time there is an issue anyway, we are always there. So
But you are always blamed also.
no, that's part and parcel of the job also now. It's not fair or whatever it is. But now we have to take that. The moment there's an issue, like when the concrete road was being built, a lot of the colony people called us because there was no plan in place. We called the smart city officials, made sure that they met all the residents, made sure that all the concerns were alleviated. And it's the same with I keep telling anyone from Panjim also, if there are any issues with the smart city works, especially that concerns them individually, they can just get in touch with us and we call for a meeting with all the officials and resolve their problem. They are here to solve the issue. But I think it's gone on for long enough now. 31st March should be when it ends. And then let them leave and then everything else should be fine after that.
Thank you.